Today we're going to show you guys how to install a Tusk aluminum skid plate on your Honda CRF300L. That includes the rally bikes. With this skid plate, you're going to be getting additional coverage over some of the other skid plates out on the market. And this one also has a cutout for that drain plug. Installation should only take a few minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by prepping the skid plate. We've got 2 foam strips that came in the kit. And you want to make sure the skid plate is perfectly clean. And we're just going to take each piece of foam tape. We're going to apply this along this edge right next to the weld. And I'm just going to trim this little bit of the extra length off. And do the same thing on the other side. And this foam tape, this is just to help prevent vibrations between the skid plate and your frame. Now at the front of the engine on the frame, we have these 2 tabs, and these are going to be the front mounting locations. So what we need to do is take one of the 2 longer mounting bolts, and we're going to take a washer, and we'll set the skid plate in place. We're going to go through that mounting slot, and we'll lightly thread this into the frame. And this is just a 4mm Allen. We'll do that same thing for the other side. And then with those loosely installed, we'll move to the back mounts. Now the back mounts are just inside of the foot pegs on these gussets, and the threads, they're already there from the factory. So all we need to do is take the shorter bolt that comes in the kit now. You're going to add a washer. I'm going to go through the skid plate. Then I've got a spacer, set that on there. And then I'm going to lightly thread that in place, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. You might need to adjust your skid plate a little bit. Then you're going to want to center this up forward and backward and side to side, and then tighten all of the hardware down. Now one note with this, some people do like to use a low strength thread lock with the hardware, but it's not necessary. That's all it takes to install the Tusk aluminum skid plate on your Honda CRF300L. If you need one of these, just click the link in the description below. That's going to take you over to our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.